Welcome back to another deal video here at Ace Hardware. For the month of February, I'm going to go over the top deals they are offering. I'm going to start off with some Milwaukee deals, and they brought back another BOGO deal. It's where you buy for $199. It's one 5.0 battery and charger, and then you get one of these tools for free. That option is a Sawzall, cutoff grinder, the wet dry vac, oscillating multi-tool, and the 6.5-inch circular saw, as well as the random orbit sander. Those are options there to get for free when you're buying the $200 kit. And obviously it's not as good of a deal compared to the holiday time when you're actually getting a second 5.0 battery for that same price. But it's still good to have a BOGO deal going on at this time of year. It might be something to consider. And it's going to be good until February 28th for this one. And it looks like they're continuing on with the DeWalt deals for the 20-volt system. So it's going to be your choice of these tools for $129 each. So you can go with a 20-volt brush drill with 2 batteries and a charger and bag, the 6.5-inch circular saw, the reciprocating saw, the oscillating multi-tool, which that one is brushless, as well as the variable speed sander, the quarter sheet sander. That one's also brushless, or a 5 amp hour battery for $129 each. Now I do know, like over at Lowe's, they did raise the pricing on those brushed tools to $179, I think it is now. So it's still good to see it priced at $129 now for these different tools. Those are going to be brushed ones besides the oscillating tool and the sander. This is also good until the February 28th. And they do have a good deal with Craftsman currently. For $139, you buy this brushless impact driver and drill driver. It does come with 2 batteries. For $139, then you have your option to get 2 of these items for free. Those options are the drill and driver bit set, a LED stand work light, a random orbit sander, a 2 amp hour battery, or the cordless inflator tool only. So again, you get 2 items for free when you're purchasing this kit for $139. That is a good deal for that, and it's going to be good until also February 28th. All right, so they have a deal on the Craftsman reciprocating saw blade set. It is 9-piece total of the different blades, and you can save $2.50 off the $20 price it normally has. You can save $1 on the 2-inch 15-piece multi-bit set that has some Torx 25, Phillips 2, and Square 2. So $1 off of the $9 there. Or you can save $3 off the 11-piece bimetal recip saw blade set. This one does have a case to store the 6-inch blades, so the 9-inch ones won't fit in that. And you can save $3 off the $26 price it normally has. They do have a deal pricing on the DeWalt 3-inch cutoff tool. It is normally priced at $200, so you'd be able to save $30 instantly, making it $170, which I think is about the normal price at Home Depot or Lowe's. And they have this DeWalt 50-piece screw bit set in a hard plastic case. It does include a couple different nut setters of the 1/4 inch and 5/16, as well as a 3/8 socket adapter and a bit holder. So you save $3 off of the $30 price, so it'll be $27 for that. You can save $10 off of this DeWalt right angle attachment kit. The one part does have a flexible shaft to it, and it has an additional handle there. You can just use it as a regular right angle attachment for your drill or impact driver. It's saving $10 off of the 50. And of course, if you missed out on the deal they had at Home Depot during the holiday time, you could have picked something like this up for $28, I think it was. And the next deal's on the DeWalt 16-piece drill bit set. This is going to be regular style drill bits that range from size 1/16 inch all the way up to 3/8 of an inch. So $350 off of the $26. And the next deal's on the Milwaukee 9-piece oscillating blade set. It does come in a hard plastic case with a see-through lid on that. It does come with these different blades to it, so you can do different materials with them. And you can save $15 on that, making it $55. And you do need to be an My Ace Rewards member, which is free to join. Just give me your name, email, and phone number, and you'll be good to go to save that $15. And they do have another special offer with a 3-pack of the multi-material oscillating blade set that are the titanium charged ones. That'd be good for cutting nail-embedded wood, copper, plastic, and drywall. So it makes it $30 for this set. If I'm not mistaken, I think at Home Depot they had them on clearance for like $15. And they have a decent deal on this Craftsman ratcheting screwdriver kit. It does come with 15 total pieces of the different bits, and the bit storage is inside the handle itself at the end here. This does include a full lifetime warranty with it as well. And they do have a special offer on it, priced at only $18, and it was $28. And they do have a deal on the Milwaukee 6-inch Comfort Grit diagonal cutting pliers. They also offer the limited lifetime warranty on these. The sale price is $16, so that's saving $4. And they have the same deal going on with the Milwaukee Torque Lock 10-inch straight jaw locking pliers, where you could save $4 on that as well, making it $16, normally priced at $20. And they brought back deals on the mini ratchet sets. So they have this 11-piece metric one, 6-point sockets that are 10-piece sockets from the 1/4-inch drive with a 72-tooth low-profile ratchet for $18. It was $28. Then they do have the SAE version of that as well, also priced at $18 when it was $28. I think during the holiday time it might have been around $15. And they do have a 10-piece set in the 3/8 drive, also priced at $18. And they also have a 10-piece set in the 3/8 drive, 9-piece sockets for also $18. Was $30. And they have that available as well in the SAE version. So they're sold separately as far as millimeter and SAE. And they also have special offers on the Craftsman wrenches in the metric 7-piece set. It ranges from 6 to 13 millimeter. That's priced at $18. It was $28. And then the SAE version 7-piece set ranges from 1/4-inch up to 9/16 of an inch. And they do each come with a pouch to store them in, which is nice. And that's also priced at $18, and it was $28. And they do have a couple deals on a couple different of their impact sockets from Craftsman. So they do have the 12-piece metric one and 1/2-inch drive. You can save $10.50 off of that, normally priced at $90. Then they have the SAE version of that as well, and the 1/2-inch drive. And you save $10.50 off of the $90 price. And they have a decent deal on a 2-pack of the fastback folding utility knife set, which are out of stock at this store. But that price is at $16 for a 2-pack, and it's normally priced at $26. And you can save a whopping $4 on the Milwaukee 20-ounce smooth face rip claw hammer. It's only priced at $36, so it'd be $32 for that. It does look like a decent hammer. It does have a nail starter to that as well in the end, but $4, I don't know why they bother. And they do have a deal on the Milwaukee large wet dry vacuum foam wet filter, so it'd be good for these different Milwaukee shop vacs. It's only priced at $23.49. You can pick it up for $20, and that's with the My Ace Rewards card. So make sure you're a member of that. And they also have a deal, which is a pretty good deal on this one, the foam wet filter for the smaller shop vacs by Milwaukee. It is normally priced at $20, which that is the case at Home Depot. And then you can save $5 on that with the My Ace Rewards card, making it $13. And they have some decent savings on the different Ace branded yard tools. So for example, they have the round point shovel. It's heavy duty fiberglass handle to that. And they do have it on a special right now with the red hot buy price at $22. It's normally priced at $30. And they have the square point shovel, heavy duty fiberglass handle with that as well. And they also have that same price at $22, and it was $30. Another option is on the 54-inch fiberglass handle garden hoe. Same price for $22, normally $30. And then they have the 16-tine Stihl bow rake, also available for $22, and it was $30. And then each of them do have the fiberglass handle, which makes it nice. And they also have the steel tine rake as an option, also for $22. It was normally $30. And they do have a Stihl deal on this battery-powered trimmer kit, which does include a battery and charger to that as well. This is normally priced at $360. You can save $30 on this kit, so it would be $330. All right, that's going to be it for this deal video at Ace. If you gain any value from it or appreciate it, that you give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. It does help the channel, and I appreciate that support. And also consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this I do here in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.